Yo, this is Munching with Zero, and this right here is my star guest right now. Let him know who you is.
Kamaya.
Yeah, this is Kamaya. We got Kamaya on the channel. Let me go follow her page with your TikTok channel. Let him know.
Kamaya too pretty. Hello guys, welcome back to
Munching with Zero. You know what I mean? I'm up here munching with my daughter. We up in the kitchen about to whip it up.
for stepmommy and my little sister.
We keep the camera on our face now.
Look at what we're making.
I'm show it on the food.
We're making.
You got showing the bump.
It's
Just
water.
pop them open. You know how to pop them open?
No.
It's something you scared.
Look at that. And you see what they look like. Ugh. Open them. They're cold.
Go.
So we're gonna add this in because my dad forgot to do it.
I'm about to come. Yeah. And by that perfect mix, let's go. Right with Munching with Zero. So what's next? Oh yeah, we gotta get you to throw in the crabs.
The crabs
Yeah.
first? I thought the crabs were last.
I mean,
No, the crabs are first,
the
right?
mussels.
The
Not
mussels.
the crabs, yeah.
The mussels.
The mussels. Yeah,
This
throw the
is-
mussels up.
This
I'm
is
gonna
what
chop these potatoes up.
this is what they good. What they look like. They stink. Let's plop them in there.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, 4. Let's pop the whole shebang.
Alright, we about to cut up. And then we got that boy here, rinse this off.
And I
We
think
about
this.
to cut up our potatoes. Chop them up. How you gonna get circle potatoes, square potatoes?
So let's do this. Good and delicious. Mia! Yeah, we're not supposed to chop them up.
Why?
Because you're supposed to eat them whole, but okay, you can chop them up, I guess. Let me go get my other sister.
I'm trying to chop these potatoes up, man. I'm talking about like the onions, you know, that doesn't. And real nice. That's all you gotta do, Daniel. Real nice. And my daughter said she had a good seafood boy recipe. I wanted to make soup. Yeah, I'm talking about y'all. I wanted to make soup. They don't want soup. But like, what's the difference? Like, they can not eat the soup, take the seafood out the soup, and eat it. Like, dang. Soup is good, healthy,
And
nutritious.
disgusting.
Did you want seafood boy, seafood boy? You gonna get the butter?
Oh, I forgot about it.
See? Just forgetting about
Do
stuff.
not get this type get this type
Y'all
of.
forget, you also forgot the nutrients and health of soup. It's about to be winter time, it's fall, it's close to getting sick season. You need soup in your blood.
Do I plop those in now?
What?
The potatoes.
Yeah, you probably did. Now,
These just look like pineapples.
take the whole, take these inside. Take the whole board. Take that.
Of the whole board.
Yeah, let me get.
Daddy, look. Satisfying. ASMR, you feel me?
No.
Alright, while he's doing that, I'm gonna open the snow crabs.
Glad she liked it. You got motivated, shit.
Dad, eat, 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 eat. He knows what that means?
No.
That's just embarrassing. How do you know what that means? Old people doesn't know that. We making a seafood boil on a Saturday night. Isn't that insane?
Take it.
Lock it in there. No sky, no sky.
Let me get that much. I'm gonna potato thing. I think fill those potatoes. I think that's all the potato we need.
Now can we open the crabs?
Yeah, put them crabs up. Show them the brine. The wild crabs, no brine. I mean, these ain't homemade crabs, but these about to do wild caught. That's what they say.
We need
So,
lemon, but we
might as
don't
well
have.
be. Then we got these right here. We got these from Alice, as you know, $17.99. I don't know what these cost, but we got a couple packs of these. You ain't bought much of that?
No, 'cause it smells good. Yes, sir. We finna be eating good. Look at those big machos. Yeah, don't play with it. You can put it in.
I just want for some flavor.
Where the lemons at?
I'm making garlic.
Garlic? What we need garlic for? Did we already use garlic seasoning? Onions. I hate onions. You love onions? I'm gonna write them when they help me feel like I'm sick. You want to take all of these out? You want to take all of these out?
Flavor, onion flavors. Onion flavors.
I'm gonna take all of them out anyways. My dad has a loss of hearing sometimes.
Yeah, I want you to make all of them. Drop
Oh
them
my gosh. Oh,
Yeah, we're gonna count them in the pot.
In the pot?
Straight in the pot.
straight in the pot.
Straight in the pot. Move legs up. Head down, legs up. Yeah, and just stick on the top. On the side of this one. And the toes. Yeah.
Okay. Carrots. Just because I'm just.
You want to
Ooh.
Yeah,
Would you like this?
Oh, you can try it.
Oh, my God. That is dangerous.
You doing that way from me,
I'm gonna try it.
Watch out. Just stand there. I ain't doing it on my top. So you can do it.
This one.
This job. She gave up the first try. There's no crabs in here.
It is?
What made you love?
Bruh. So serve. 1, 2.
What'd you cook? What's your best cooking?
Hamburgers.
She said she cooked hamburgers the best. Oh yeah, you chop them up. Big slices too. On a big old chunk of cherry.
Big slices. It's better. Sweet. Tomatoes won't hurt.
I put tomatoes in it too.
I'm just joking. I put the potatoes in there.
We're gonna drain some of the juice. We're gonna put a steam in it and let it steam. Let it steam for real, because right now it's boiling. So we're gonna boil it, then steam it. So stay tuned. We're gonna let y'all know. You know what I'm saying? When it's ready.
They can before they ask, and they never let anyone to keep it.
My gosh, I can't open this one.
Yes, you can. Never say can't.
No, for real.
Never
Yeah.
say can't.
Did not know. It was good.
That's what our church did. Don't say that word.
Yeah, we're digging in. She didn't even care about the video no more, yo.
I'm telling you.
It's sad.
She been standing on that pot too long.
Since before it got done.
Oh,
She
yeah.
been standing on that pot waiting. I'm telling you.
She was waiting for the food.
She was a